What's good, y'all? It's your man Wayne Training. We are back with another joint. We got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 01. All right, so before we get into that though, I really just want to go ahead and get the screen protector on. So this is just what we got, hydrogel film. What we got here? All right, I got trash tape on here. So the good thing though about the Sony XPERIA is we got these we got the flat, another flat screen. Ain't gotta really worry about no curves, so should be a pretty easy installation. Companies get real cheap, so look at this, bro. Look at this little cute little thing. I keep hitting my fingers across the screen because this little square is so small. I got a bad habit of over wiping. Got on the camera there. Oops. So we're gonna put this up. Wow. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and do that nice little peel. Let's go ahead and get into the 01 Spigen. This one actually pretty dope. 15 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna check that out. But ooh, okay, this is interesting. Okay. Now, funny thing, my last Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, I had to replace the back glass, and I actually ended up making like a transparent back on that one. So just kind of ironic that now I have the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V with this transparent back case. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this installed. Got a couple stickers on the inside. Okay, it's a nice hard inside. Wish I had a little felt material or something in there, but you know, it is what it is. Actually, let's go ahead and put it on first, and then we will do the back peel. Let's see. Now, all right, so I think I'm safe. Yeah, my edges are good, so I ain't gotta worry about nothing, but boy, hold up now. Can y'all see that? So we got a matte little joint right there. They did a really good job with making this look like, I like this. Now a lot of it is on the outside. It's just like little graphics on the outside of the case. And I'm not even 100% sure. I don't believe this is how the internals of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V look. It could be. Probably gotta check out a jerry-rig everything video to see, but this is really nice, for real. Okay, like you got a little chip right there. Okay, got the wireless charging pad right there. Spigen Xperia 01 edition, nice. Cutouts on the top. Got your headphone jack. Got your mic at the top there, USB-C. Now, they did cover up the SIM and memory card slot, so you aren't going to be able to access that very easily, but you're going to have to take the case off in order to do so. But regardless, I like this. This is pretty cool. So, like, if you look on the outside, a lot of this, like, the graphics are some on the outside, but if you look on the inside, they did it's like a double layer, so it almost looks like you're looking inside of the phone, which is pretty dope. You know what I mean? So I got the gloss on the front, right? And we glossed up on the back and the sides. So, oh yeah, cutouts on the sides. So our, what we got? Fingerprint scanner, power button, solid, volume buttons. Everything feels good. And you do get your shutter button right there on the side. We all solid. So this is clean, bro. Hold on. Get my little snap on. All right. Now I wish they, maybe I don't got rotation on or something, but yeah. That's clean. Yeah, man. Spigen. I see y'all. This is the Spigen 01 edition for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. So with that being said, that's all we got for this joint. Like, subscribe, share, do it up for your boy. Let me know in the comments, like I said, what you guys think about this joint. It's your man. We out.